decided that I want to redecorate my room. And that's it. So you're gonna see me try to rearrange my room and decorate it. That's it. So now I'm gonna show you guys what my current room looks like. Okay, so this is what my room looks like right now. I have a table here with these baskets, that shelf, and my bed is facing that wall. My study desk is here, a mirror, and yeah. So basically I'm just gonna try to rearrange it and see if I like how it will look like once I rearrange it, so you'll see. Hi, so I was thinking of putting my this desk right there beside my bed, or this table beside that bed, but I don't think it fits, so I'm just gonna measure with my arms. It fits! I'm just gonna try and see what happens if I put it there. Oh my gosh! It fits perfectly. I feel like I want to put like a mirror there above this table. Not sure yet. But it's empty here now. So this whole wall is empty. And it's still like that here. So I don't know what else to do. But that's it for now. I have like a test in 2 hours. So bye. Hello. So today is the next day. And I was thinking that I want to move this organizer because I feel like I want to change my Instagram setup, so I'll be doing that. So I'll be moving this and decluttering some stuff, so you're gonna see that. Say hi, Adalek. Oh, my original lashes. Oh my gosh, my Miami lashes. I'm gonna film you away. Bye-bye. Ang dami kong face milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Meron pa ako dun sa kabila. Yeah! Ooh! My OG colorful palette! It's my first one. Yeah. Okay, so I just bought these baskets from Facebook Marketplace, and now I'm going to organize my palettes into this. So, yeah. Hello. So it's a different day and I feel really bad since I'm on my period and I'm not in the mood, but I'll be unboxing my Shopee order. I got vegetables, I got hanging pots for each corner of my room because I have a nail for each corner, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I have online class at the back, so if you can hear it, I'm so sorry, just ignore it. But I got the hanging plant thing and you're supposed to like put it up. I don't know how to do this, but I tried it a while ago and it looks weird, so I'm gonna show you. Like, why is it slanted? Can you see? What did I do wrong? Ooh, that looks cute, but I can't reach that up there. I can't reach that, so I'll figure it out. Okay, as you can see, the hanging plants are there. Also here, also there. So we added some rocks inside so that, you know, it's sturdier. But yeah, that's it. Look how cute. Look how cute my room looks right now. Look how cute. Ah, I love it. That's it. I just got the final thing to transform or redecorate my room, and it's here. Unboxing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Okay, basically I got stuff to decorate my room. I mean, but like posters on my wall. Woo! Georgia Smith. Harry. This fashion poster. Harry. Oh my god, oh my god. Miss Lana Del Rey. A cherry poster. Sweetener. Oh, Sweetener. Midsommar. This drawing. Bricks of Being a Wallflower. This script of Call Me By Your Name that I really loved. Lord. Ever Since New York. Call Me By Your Name. But I found out Army Hammer is a One Direction. And this drawing. I love it! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna show you guys once I put it on my wall. I am now gonna show you guys the posters. Here's what it looks like on this side where my mirror is. So cute. And then here